guys, today I already have my foundation, my highlight, and my contour. Today I did it a little bit different. I did use for the first time the Wet n Wild contour makeup sticks, and they look like this. And I gotta say, I kind of did enjoy this. I do want to test it out throughout the day to see how it looks, if it doesn't get too oily, since I am a very oily person. You guys know this. Anyways, but today we're going to be doing something freaking awesome. We're going to be comparing the Hush palette, the Athena, and this is what it looks like. Let me show you guys what the other one is. The original main shebang, okay? The original thing is the Huda Beauty palette, the Desert Dusk palette. Now, if we open it from inside, well, let's look at the package. You guys already saw it on my makeup haul that I did show you guys that I had purchased this, and it has a very beautiful cover. The back is still the same pretty much from the other one, but it's very beautiful. And when you open it, you do get this little plastic thing for your, like, a little divider, whatever thing. And then it comes with 18 shades. This time it did come with a mirror, which I do like because it's big and pretty. And then over here we have the Athena. This one is from Hush and like a little dot, and it comes up with a lot of makeup. It's pretty much dupes of makeup. If you are on a budget and you can't afford for the real thing, then you can always get the dupe. I mean, it's very, very cheap. Today we're going to be seeing if we can actually get the exact same result or near the same thing. But this is how it looks. It has like an ombre effect. It has gold embellishments. And this one, it's like purple pink, you know. It has kind of like some colors. Now when we open it up, it does come with the mirror as well, and it also comes with the 18 shades, and this is how it looks like. Now if we put it side to side, they do come with like the exact same color, not exact colors. They're pretty much scattered around. But the colors are pretty much the exact same. They are a little bit off, some of them. But for the most part, if it comes out to be very similar, I mean, why not, you know? This is $12 and this is $65. So which one do you want? This side of my face, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty palette. So for this one is this one. And for this eye, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette. So I'm just going to put them like this, side by side. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Eden, and I'm just going to apply it all over the eye, the crease, just like this. Now this eyeshadow seems to be very soft. It does not feel chalky. It does not feel bad whatsoever. So we want to bring this pretty high up because I am going to try to do like a cut crease, some type of cut crease. I'm still not sure what kind of cut crease I'm going to be doing. Oh yeah, you guys, guess what? I got myself the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. And if you guys are wondering what highlight I'm using right now, it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It leaves it like that wet looking highlight. It looks so good. It's very beaming, and a little product goes a freaking long way. This was with me just swirling it about 2 to 3 times, and it really did the job. I'm swirling my brush, you guys. No color whatsoever. I'm taking Valor from the Athena palette, and I'm just gonna apply it on the crease as well. Oh wow. You see, whenever you look at the shade from the palette, it honestly looks brighter. But when you put it on, it really does look very similar. So far, we're starting off good. So let's see if we can keep this up. Okay, so this one might be just a tiny bit more brighter, but they pretty much look the same, so I'm not bothered by that whatsoever. Next, we're going to be grabbing the M513, and I'm going to be getting Blazing from the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just putting it on the outer to the center, pretty much on the crease on the socket of the eye, and I'm really focusing it in there. With this look, we're gonna go bad and bougie. Okay, let's bring it pretty much a little higher because we are going to be cutting the crease and we are going to be recreating our crease pretty much. Now, are you guys all ready for springtime? I'm so freaking excited. We're finally gonna get this winter away. Although I don't, you know what? I don't even hate on winter. I actually enjoy it because I love sleeping in. But then it gets me so freaking lazy. Right now I'm just gonna go back in and I'm just gonna blend it. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Lure and I'm gonna use the M513 brush. The one from the Athena palette, it's picking up. It's giving us a little bit of kickback. It's giving us a little bit of kickback. With the Huda Beauty one, it didn't really do that. Let's see if it looks the same though, because it looks a little bit more brighter over here, and it is a little bit more bright. For the most part, if you look at it from far away, it looks the same, but if you look up close, you will notice that this one is just a tiny bitsy more brighter than this one. Okay, so for the next color that I'm going to be picking up is going to be Amethyst from the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to be going in with this Morephe M506, and I'm just gonna apply it pretty much on the crease again. I'm intensifying the crease. We're gonna blend it out. You know what? We're pretty much gonna put this all over the eyelid. We're going to use the same brush and we're going to go in with Justice from the Athena palette. The brush is clean in case you guys are wondering, and I'm just going to apply Justice in the same part that I did to my other eye, doing windshield wiper motions and patting in the product. And right now I can definitely see that this one is just a little bit more intense. I do see that it's kind of muddy right there, but not so much. Let's build this color to see if we can get the same shade as over here, okay? I'm gonna go in with Twilight. This is from the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just gonna apply it where I applied my concealer, and I did spray some Fix Plus. At the very top, I'm just gonna go in with my Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy. And I'm gonna put Amethyst again just to blend it out so we won't have that harsh line. So again, I'm going to use the exact same concealer, same exact brush. So now I'm just gonna go in with Epic from the Athena palette, and I'm spraying MAC Fix Plus as well. And I'm using the Morphe E30 brush. Oh wow. Guys, this looks so freaking similar. The eyeshadow is kind of coming off. I think I need to press it versus blend it. Okay, whatever. Just like that. And now I'm just gonna apply the Midnight Cowboy. Alright my loves, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did go ahead and I did went off camera and I did the lower lash from my eyes, and honestly, how do I feel about this product and this product? They're pretty much fairly the same exact results. The only thing I do have to say is that you get more pigmentation on the Huda Beauty palette. You do get the exact similar outcome, but you can really notice a little bit of difference if you really pay close attention and you look at the eyes very good. But for the most part, it's a very good price for only $12 and this 65 palette. Of course, big shout out to Huda Beauty Palette because she put out all her effort into coming up with this palette, which it turned out to be such a beautiful palette. I honestly do like it and I do enjoy it. There's nothing I can say bad about this palette whatsoever. Also, I can't say anything bad about this one, but I do like this side a little bit more just because it's more pigmented. The color's more rich. But you know, if you're on a budget, we all have those issues, and this palette is most definitely a good palette to start off with. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and make sure to turn on that bell notification. As always, I'll have them right here displayed for you. And until next time.